What's up, everybody? Jimmy and Adam here, and we're coming to you live with our most important content yet, and that's the Verified Commandments of Success. Now, this isn't taught to you by your teachers, this isn't taught to you by your family, and it sure as hell isn't being taught to you by your friends. And this is why you're constantly surrounded by a sea of average fucking people. And these are the commandments that led us to be financially free, do the things we want, live the life we want, and do whatever the fuck we want to do when we want to do it. So this first commandment is taking action.
There are a ton of people out there every single day. We hear them. They talk the talk, but they are not walking the walk. Let's relate this to nature really quick. When a shark stops swimming, it dies. The same thing goes for your dreams. When you do not take action, your dreams will die. So if you don't want to be like the rest of the average people that you see every single day, the sea of mediocrity, you need to take action today. You need to start taking a step outside your comfort zone, not doing what everyone else is doing around you. You have to take a step in the right direction and take action.
If you want to separate yourself from all the people that are just talking about their dreams, sitting in the stands, looking at the field, you have to take action, everyone.
This is what's gonna happen to you, all right? In 10 years, when you wake up every single day, you're gonna be stuck in the exact same square. 20 years later, the exact same square. Even 30 years later, you're gonna be stuck at the exact same square, asking what the fuck happened the last 30 years of my life because I did not take action.
This is well documented. The average person on their deathbed regrets every risk they didn't take. If you don't want to be that average person regretting every fucking day of your life, you need to take action, because you're not gonna wait for the perfect opportunity, because it's not gonna fucking come.
Stop waiting for the perfect opportunity. Newsflash, it does not exist. And let's be honest here, it actually gets worse if you do not take action. The perfect time never comes. The best day to start was yesterday. The second best time to start is today.
So take action. We're gonna leave it at that. It's gonna be a short video because we want you to go out there and take action today. Subscribe below, turn on notifications so you know when we release the next commandment of success, and we'll see you next time.